Ever wondered how the wealthy think differently? Welcome back to Motivate Wealth. Today, we're diving into the secrets of a rich mindset. First up, wealth isn't just about money. It's about abundance in all areas of life. A truly wealthy life is multidimensional, incorporating not just financial stability, but also health, happiness, knowledge, relationships, and experiences. This holistic approach to wealth recognizes that true abundance is about the quality and richness of life, not just the quantity of money in one's bank account. A rich mindset starts with positive thinking. Let's turn those I can'ts into I cans. It's not just about hoping for the best. It's about cultivating a positive, abundant attitude, learning from experiences, and taking proactive steps towards your goals. Next, setting clear, achievable goals. You've got to know where you're sailing to find the treasure. You can set goals that are not only clear and achievable, but also inspiring and motivating. This approach keeps you focused and increases the likelihood of success. Rich minds love to learn. Stay curious and embrace new knowledge. Those with a rich mindset see learning as a lifelong journey, not just confined to formal education. They seek knowledge in various forms: books, courses, experiences, and interactions with others. They are open to new ideas and perspectives, understanding that there is always something new to discover or a different way to view things. Curiosity is the fuel for their learning. They ask questions, delve deeper into topics, and are not afraid to explore unfamiliar territories. A rich mindset involves viewing failures as opportunities to learn and grow. Mistakes are not seen as setbacks, but as valuable lessons. Continuous learning makes one adaptable and flexible, crucial traits in an ever-changing world. By embracing new knowledge, individuals with a rich mindset continually expand their horizons, leading to personal and professional growth. In essence, a rich mindset appreciates that knowledge is a key to unlocking potential and sees learning as an exciting, never-ending journey. Taking calculated risks is key, but so is being resilient when things don't go as planned. This involves making decisions that have potential risks, but are assessed and thought through. It's about not being reckless, but rather weighing the potential downsides against the possible benefits. This could be investing in a new venture, changing careers, or trying a novel approach to a problem. Despite careful planning, things can go awry. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks or failures without being overwhelmed. It involves learning from mistakes, adapting to changes, and not giving up in the face of challenges. Together, these traits create a dynamic where one is bold enough to step out of their comfort zone and take smart risks, but also grounded and resilient enough to handle the potential fallout, learn from it, and continue moving forward. Build a network of mentors and peers. Relationships are golden. They offer wisdom, advice, and insights based on their experiences. A mentor can help you navigate challenges, make informed decisions, and avoid common pitfalls. Your peers can be a source of encouragement, motivation, and support. Collaborating with them can lead to new ideas, perspectives, and opportunities. A network of varied individuals provides a wealth of different viewpoints, helping you to broaden your understanding and approach problems more creatively. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, whether it's a job, a business venture, or a collaborative project. These connections often prove valuable over the long term, not just for immediate gains. They can evolve as you progress in your career or personal life. A network of mentors and peers is like a treasure trove of knowledge, support, and opportunity, crucial for anyone looking to develop a rich and successful life. Lastly, be generous and grateful. A rich life is about giving and appreciating what you have. It's about sharing your time, resources, and knowledge with others. This doesn't only mean financial giving. It can be as simple as offering support, advice, or a listening ear. Generosity enriches your life by creating connections and fostering a sense of community. This involves recognizing and appreciating what you have. It's about focusing on the positive aspects of your life rather than what's missing. Practicing gratitude can enhance your well-being, improve relationships, and shift your perspective to one of abundance. Together, these qualities create a fulfilling life. Generosity extends your impact and creates a cycle of giving and receiving, while gratitude grounds you in a positive outlook, enhancing overall life satisfaction. So, are you ready to adopt a rich mindset? Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Liked what you saw? Subscribe for more and join our journey to a richer life. Thanks for watching.